Hi, my name is Aljon Abestano, your average cyclist.
I am Francis Neil M. Sabitsana.
Hello everyone, my name is Kin Martindog. I am a filmmaker and an avid adventurer and mountain biker for years now.
There are many reasons why I got myself into cycling as a youngster. Aside from the views and conquering mountains, I've always been drawn to the social side of riding. Meeting new friends and be able to share and learn lessons from each other. For me, it's very valuable.
I enjoy cycling not only because of its health benefits, but because I have met friends that are like family to me. I enjoy chatting with them about places we want to go and share the same thoughts about our hobby. I feel comfortable and I feel like I can be myself when I'm around them.
I believe that in our community, the cycling scene is currently now on a boom. I mean, after the pandemic, people are slowly getting into cycling and are currently buying bikes and going into cycling. But still, being here in the Philippines, there is still somehow a culture gap. I mean, a lot of people consider cycling here in our country as waste of time, waste of energy, and the like. But for us, and especially for me, I think that there's more to be said than just a mere hobby.
I've been trying to be my own guiding star, but it appears it hasn't taken me very far. I've tried to be my own all in all and everything, but it's just been a hard and arduous thing. When I look back upon the life I have lived and the choices I have made, what do I see?
Spending your time with your friends while riding your bike, it's something that we really need to appreciate. Because in life, we only get to live once with a limited time.
An open heart and mind and arms laid down. You're a wall and hate and arms let in. The light of day and let Jesus show the way. But hey, I'm not religious in an old sense. I can't stand the way that most priests talk in the state church.
I mean, cycling, there is so much that the bike can teach you, and then there are so much that you can get from cycling itself, and that includes having friends and finding a brother from another mother somehow.
And I know how to begin.
There are times when you get to ride with your friend, you get to enjoy the views, you get to enjoy the road, you even get to enjoy the suffering that most of you are experiencing during rides. I mean, there is a sense of belongingness and a sense of common love and common passion that you feel with each other because most of you are having the same hobbies and having the same love for cycling.
Ease the pain. Don't stay the same. Love your neighbor, that's the label.
I think when we talk about the opportunities here in our country relating to cycling, I mean, for me, it is kind of low. I mean, the government doesn't support it so much. Even your families and family members, you may find instances where they don't support you on what you love and what you do. I mean, being a very traditional country here in the Philippines, we prefer to do things that produce a living or give a living for us, or like sometimes our parents and family members ask on what can we get on riding bikes. I mean, can we even have an income source when we ride bikes? So like there is a really a tradition gap that you can consider, that cycling is not really that accepted here in our country.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around, some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong, inside a simple song.
Cycling here in our community is growing, and for me, I think that growth should have a support. And yes, there are a lot of local races here in our place, also a lot of competitive cyclists. There are cyclists that are willing to give 100%, but sometimes they don't have the capacity because of the absence of some factors. But I still have high hopes that this community will be able to provide an opportunity.
Tangled up in dreams.
It doesn't matter if you do mountain biking or cycling for very competitive, in a very competitive way, or for a very competitive reasons. I mean, being a cyclist, you can just slow down and enjoy a bit. I mean, cycling doesn't really mean that you have to go fast and put the effort all the time. I mean, there is so much that is there for cycling. I mean, the views, the enjoyment, the brotherhood, the society that you can get while riding your bike. I mean, that is really what is all about.
For me, I have no regrets spending most of my time riding my bikes with my buddies. We treat each other as brothers during trainings, help each other during races. Then the presence of motivation and support is there. And that's how cycling builds stronger relationships.
Where to start? I could be anything you want me to.
For me, if I were to give any message to those people who want to ride bikes, just do it. Just ride your bikes and then go outside. Feel the simple connection between man, nature, and machine. Then I think it would give you happiness. Just ride. And that's it.
I will be there to take away the shade. I could be there.